Hey everyone, I'm gonna show you how to make a pictograph or picture graph on Google Sheets. Now, it's more useful to have a frequency table, so then we don't make mistakes counting. So I'll just insert a pivot table in a new sheet. And as I showed you before, you need to take the list, put it in the row, then in values you want to add list, so then you have your frequency table done. Once you have that frequency table done, then it will help you to make your picture graph much easier. So what you want to do is you want to put the names of your categories. I like to make sure all the ones that I'm going to use are centered. All my text is centered. I'm gonna put noodles. I think you can copy them and then you can special paste and transpose. Yep. You just need to go back and center the text. Once you have it like that, then all you need to do is click on the first cell on top of the noodles, and then you want to insert an image, and we're gonna insert it in cell so it stays inside of the cell. Then you wanna you can bring the image from anywhere. I'm just gonna Google search. My one is about food, so I'm gonna search food, actually a food icon specifically, and I'm gonna use this burger as my main picture. So as you can see, I have a burger now on top of the noodle. Now we have 3 of that, so all I need to do is grab the corner, the left right corner of that cell, and then drag it up, so then I can fill in 5 cells. Then if I want to, since I know all the other columns have at least 3, I can highlight 3, then I can grab the bottom right corner and drag it all the way. So now there's at least 3 in each of the categories. Then I just need to check pasta is 3, so it's all good. Pies is 4, I need 1 more. Salads is 3, so it's good. Sandwiches is 6, so I need 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And then soup is 4, so I need 1 more. And here's my picture graph. I could do my picture graph horizontally as well, so I can put the names here if I want. So I'm gonna copy them and then paste them here, and then I can take my picture, copy it there, and then I can do the same thing. So I can go 5 across, then use the same trick and copy down. Then I can just check any that need more, so that's 4 pies, salads is 3, sandwiches is 6, and then soup is 4, so 1 more. And we were able to create 2 different pictographs of the same data. If we want, we can make those rows wider. So all you need is highlight those rows, then grab the bottom of the last row, and you can move it up or down to make it either more narrower or wider. Now I can do the same thing here. So if I want to bring those graphs, sorry, undo it. If I want to bring these graphs closer, so I can highlight these 3 rows, and then at the last row I'm just gonna bring it closer to make it smaller. And I can do that. If I feel like the names are too close, I can highlight that row, make it bigger, and there you go. If you want to add your line that on top of the names or the categories, you can highlight those cells that have the names. Then we can click on the border, and we can choose to have a top border. So then you can create your graph like that. So and you can do the same here. So if you highlight those cells, go border, and then we go right border, we can create that border as well. So it's not that hard, pretty easy to create a pictograph on Google Sheets. Thank you.